And we are reminded to replace the batteries in our smoke detectors when we change the clocks ahead and back each spring and fall. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko working for you tonight with when you should actually change your smoke alarm.
Well, Barry, next week is Fire Prevention Week. This year's Fire Prevention Week is focusing on replacing aging smoke alarms, and while it is important to change the batteries in your smoke detectors, it's also important to get a new alarm when the one you have reaches a certain age.
I do. I change the batteries faithfully, and I also look at the date and change the smoke alarms if in fact the date says that they're outmoded.
You should replace your smoke alarm every 10 years, and if it is from time to time it was manufactured not when you bought it, the date can be found on the back of the alarm. You should also try and get a smoke alarm that is photoelectric, and that is also combined with a carbon monoxide detector. And daylight saving time comes to an end on Sunday, November 6th. So you should be sure to change your smoke alarm batteries then. I'm 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Adam Stremko.